Just going to talk about the actual like little crash or big, actually it's kind of big crash like we've had in the past few weeks. So basically, the big boy here is Bitcoin. So let's look at what happened here. Basically, it was at an all-time high, right? So we'll look February here. Look, it went all the way up to $61,000. And actually, this was 2020. You saw it going up. And it was like $20,000, like $19,000, $20,000 at the end of the year. Then it just like had a parabolic move. It went all the way up here, and then something happened, right? It went down. So let's see, 1 month chart. Let's see, 3 months. Let's do 3 months. Okay, look at it today. Okay, so this kind of shows 3 months. Yeah, 48, and then it went up to here. This is, look, it went all the way up to 70,000, right? This was in April, so everybody was thinking like, oh wow, it could go to 100,000 or whatever. But then it started going down, and now it's all the way back down at 36,000. So, and pretty much all the other cryptos went down with it. So it just went down. And you can see right now, I'm looking and everything is in the red still. I mean, there's times where it goes back up. And they were saying that a lot of institutional money has gone into the crypto market, meaning like big institutions. And so a lot of people are saying that these big whales, which are people that hold a lot of value in the market, if they have a bunch of coins, they can, if they have like a third or 50% of the coins, then if they sell them off, all that value goes out of the market and it pushes it down. And then when they buy it back up, it's like all that money goes back in and it goes back up. So that's the basic thing here. So they can manipulate the market here. They're saying like this is what could have happened here. This person here, Wyckoff, used to have theories about this. But basically, we're like somewhere over here. So it was like we went up and then it went down and then it went back up a little and down a little down. And anyway, it was like somewhere like, see here, these are the resistance line and the support lines. Usually you go up to this line and then it can break out of there. That's in a resistance line. And then here's the support line. This is usually where the support is. And it usually doesn't go below that, but sometimes it does. But in this case, it went, beyond what people expected. So we're like somewhere over here. And the next stage is kind of like the accumulation stage. And I don't know if there's a good, they were saying that maybe we could be like, again, this might be the next, see, there's actually like phases. So this might be like a method. This is something that this person had a theory that when the institutional money gets in the market, he see, New York brokerage. At age 15, he took a job as a stock runner for the New York for a New York brokerage. So he worked over there by Wall Street in New York. So he kind of knew, and he watched the markets, and he came up with these theories of things that happen in the market. So does that necessarily mean the market is over because things dropped so much? Probably not. So he created these charts to show the phases when these types of, like, seems like volatile, or I don't know what you want to call it, like bearish and bullish markets happen. There was patterns to it, and this is them, you know, manipulating the market. So anyway, just wanted to share that with you. So you know, it's just not like we're all going to zero. It's probably won't. It's probably just them doing these manipulations. Thank you. Bye.